Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today's video is another one of my RocksBox unboxings. You guys know that I've been a fan of this company for a very long time. I actually got my little anniversary notice, I think in October, this past October. I've been a member for 5 years. It's incredible, but that is how much I love this company. I keep subscribing, I keep renewing my subscription because I'm just a jewelry lover. And this is the best way for me to discover new jewelry brands, to try on different trends, and not have to commit to buying every single piece. For just $21 a month, you get a box with 3 pieces of designer jewelry in them. You get to try them on, love them, photograph them, wear them out, and then once you're done, you put them back in the box, ship it back to RocksBox, and they'll send you another box back to you. And if you fall in love with anything, then you can buy them from RocksBox, and most of the time you can get a really nice discount when you do. And it's just a great way to have basically an unlimited jewelry box, because you get to try on all of these pieces, try new trends, gold toned jewelry, silver toned jewelry, rose gold, whatever you're into, you get to try them on and then send them back for just $21 a month. Again, you don't have to commit to buying all these pieces as you normally would if you don't have the subscription service. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here is the card with information about the pieces, but I want to be surprised, so I'm going to set that aside. Now, you do know what pieces will come to you because you will get an email when they're sending you a box. They will select 3 pieces for you, and you'll have the opportunity to swap out any of the pieces depending on what you have coming up. If you have a special event or you just want to try something else, you can swap them out. But I have so many things on my wish list. I love what they picked for me. And by the time that I open this up, I've forgotten what is coming to me. So I do know that I think I swapped 1 piece out. So I definitely had a chance to look at them, but I don't remember what's in there. So it's still a surprise for me, even though I get that email. Also, I have the worst memory in the world. It's just who I am. So yeah, it's still a surprise as much as it is for you as it is for me. So here are 3 dust bags. Right away, I'm seeing that they sent me 2 Kendra Scott pieces. I love Kendra Scott, and it's thanks to RocksBox that I discovered the brand. I first saw them here, and then I saw the shop in New Orleans, and I've just been a fan ever since. So I love when they send me Kendra Scott pieces, and they know that because they continue to send it to me, and I continue to buy these pieces because I fall in love with them at a discount, which I'm super appreciative of. So let's see. Very beautiful. Okay, so this is a gold tone ring with like pave crystals on it. It's very beautiful. I think this is the piece that I swapped because I just wanted to try a ring. I think it's beautiful. You get to select the size too, so that's another thing. If they're not adjustable, they will tell you what sizes they have available, and then you can pick what size you want depending on what finger you want to wear them on. I wanted this on my index finger, so it fits perfectly. And I just think it's beautiful. Yes, I remember these. Yes, these were selected to me. These were selected for me by the RocksBox stylist, and they are gorge. All right, I'm gonna have to switch out my jewelry because I want to try these pieces on. I want to wear them for my next video. Why not? All right, are you ready to see these earrings? They are stunning. Oh my gosh. Give them to me. How gorgeous are these? And they're from the new collection from Kendra Scott. So you're not just getting like old pieces from seasons back. These are new to Kendra Scott. They even have the price tag still attached to them. These retail for $85, and they are gorgeous. How beautiful are these? I love them. So beautiful. Okay, I have one more dust bag to open up, so let's see what's inside. And here is another Kendra Scott piece. This is a gorgeous gold toned cuff, and the price is still attached to it. This retails for $60. It's so beautiful. And I don't know if you can see the details, but I mean, I love this like Moroccan beautiful pattern that they are known for, but also, if you can, I don't know if you can tell, but at one end it's larger than the other end, so it's kind of tapered in, which is a beautiful detail. Really, really pretty. So in love with all the pieces that I've gotten. Okay, now I'm going to read that card. Hi Jessica, thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. The Sophie Harper Pave X ring has a classic shape that looks great with other small delicate rings. Enjoy. So, the Kendra Scott Uma cuff in gold is $60. The Kendra Scott DD filigree earrings in gold is $85. And the Sophie Harper Pave X ring is $51. And at the end, they tell me what the total is for all three pieces, how many monthly credits I have, how many forever credits I have, plus any discount that I get. I get a buy all three discount of $10, and then it tells me how much I would pay out of pocket with all those credits and discounts, which I appreciate because you don't have to do the math. They tell you, do all the math for you, and then you can decide whether you want to buy one, all. There you go. What do you guys think? Do you think I should purchase any of this? I think it's been a while since I've actually purchased a piece. I was purchasing like a mad woman. Like every time I got a box, I would keep one or two pieces. But these, I don't know, these earrings are gorgeous. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make new videos every single week, and I cover fashion, beauty, travel, family vlogs. I cover it all. And of course, please like and share if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to use that comment section below. If you have any questions, comments, requests, or just say hi, I'd love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.